Hi everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. We're finally opening up the Allure June beauty box, or July. I swear I feel like we're still in June and it's gonna be August. I was like doing my to-do list today. I'm like, start July, pick a card. I'm like, for my other channel, I'm like, wait, no, it's August. But anyways, we had the July box here. I have had it for a while. It wasn't sent late or anything like that. I just haven't been able to get around to it. So we're gonna unbox today. I hear my AC just kicked on, but I already feel hot, so we're just gonna let that go. Hi, Emmy, you gonna join us? So today we're gonna open this, of course, and then a quick review of some of the products from last month, the June box as well. I hope you guys are doing well. Sorry, I feel like I'm always like, what's the word? Like I haven't filmed in a while when I do these videos, and it's usually true. Well, let's see what we have. I did see spoilers videos. I like watching like Cher's Beauty or whatever her channel is for spoilers. I really like her. You guys probably know her. If not, check her out. But I did watch her video, and I remember liking some of it, but I don't remember what's in it. I do remember one thing. It's a fragrance I'm excited about, and I haven't put fragrance on today yet. Yay! So here's a little patriotic July thing. Oh, I'm excited about another thing too. I see it right away. Okay, so getting warmer, like slushy drinks and popsicles. The products in July's Allure Beauty Box are refreshing summer treats. Okay, and then it talks about the items, so we won't get to that, but I kind of just showed one of them off, so let's start with that one. We've gotten this forever ago in a different subscription box, and I really enjoyed it, and I'm super, super stoked to get it again. This is a Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. So I don't get dark circles, but I am puffy like all the time. I think it's just like an allergy thing. So anything that's cooling and can help with puffiness and stuff. And I remember liking it in the past. Like I slept pretty well. I mean, whatever. It's just my genetics and the allergies, I think. But if I can get something that like helps, it feels really nice putting it on. It's so good. It seriously has been years. I was in my old place when I got this. Someone probably remembers where we got this from, but it was in a beauty box years ago. BoxyCharm probably, right? So anyways, it provides a lit from within glow while hydrating, cooling, and helping to reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. It says you can use it under or over makeup. I'm not going to try it today because I'm doing a live stream in like 40 minutes on my other channel, and then I'm going out to dinner, so I don't want to have to, like, I don't know if I have time to redo things if it doesn't look good. I don't know, maybe there's a little bit of a scent, but yeah, it's just in a stick. It feels seriously cool. And look, it does look brightening. Oh my god, I love how that cooling feeling is. And it's not like the stingy cooling feeling. It like literally feels like it's cold temperature. How do they do that? What's in this? I know it says. What are the ingredients that do this? So probiotic extracts help improve skin smoothness. It has hyaluronic acid, which helps hydrate skin. Caffeine, that's good for the puffiness. Helps firm and tighten the appearance of skin. And then it has apple and watermelon to hydrate and help reduce the look of wrinkles. So I'm not really sure what exactly in it makes it feel cooling, but it really does. And I'm so excited. Like, I've had this before. I've even had the pink version of it, but I like this better. I don't really know the difference. Maybe that one had a little bit more coverage for people who have dark circles. But yeah, so excited about this. And what's the value of this? $38. So I didn't even say, I'll link Allure Beauty Box down below. I do pay for this one myself. It's $25 a month, but usually you can get your first box for $5 off, and you usually get a free gift too when you sign up. So if you want to check it out, I'll link it below. But this is more than what we paid for, so worth it. 'Cause I'm so excited to try this again. I'm sure I'll still like it, but let's move on. What's next? This looks like a full-size product. Flannery, I don't know if I've ever heard of this brand. I like the packaging. Water Lily PHA, a pore refining exfoliator. I'm in need of something like that. I do have like a BHA, like salicylic acid spot treatment right now, but I just ran out of my BHA Paula's Choice, and I have just a few pads of exfoliator from my recent Ipsy, so I could use this. I'm excited. So I do have enlarged pores, and yeah, it's something I like to use. So it's a cleanser though. Well, it says take 3 deep breaths on the top. I feel like I could use that. I feel like I'm all like, I gotta get this done. Not like I have to get this done. I want to do this. It's fun for me, but okay. So yeah, this is an exfoliating wash. It's not a treatment. I was thinking it was a treatment for some reason. Gently massage and a small amount into the skin after cleansing, then rinse the skin with lukewarm water. So you use this as like a second cleanse. This is interesting. You wash it off. Let's $52. Whoa. So the PHAs is polyhydroxy acids, and it's supposed to be gentler than AHAs and BHAs. So you use it once a week after cleansing, massage in a small amount of this exfoliator, and then thoroughly rinse it away. Okay. I'm excited to try this out. I'll definitely do reviews of these two products for sure. I know for June's box, I didn't use all the products, but you know, the ones I do use, I like to give you guys updates. Let's move on to the next one. Ooh, I don't remember hearing about this. BY Better Not Younger, Lift Me Up Hair Thickener Spray. Okay. I have a lot of hair, but it's really fine, and so I could use a little thickening, I think. Guys, make it look worse. But I've been working on my hair health, so I like getting hair products now. Like before, like back in the day, I didn't really get excited about hair products, like ever. But now I do. Immediately thickens the appearance of hair strands to lift those stubborn, flat roots. You can use it, yeah, you do wet, you spray it onto wet or damp hair, so I'm not going to use it today then. This is cruelty-free, vegan, all that. I think all the products were so far. At least I know what tool it is. I don't know if this one says it. Yeah, it does have the PETA certification on there. So that's cool. Where is this? Oh my god, I'm so excited. I see a few other things in here. I like Allure. Okay, anyways, let's see. I don't know if this is full size. We have 2 ounces. So, you could have gotten this or a conditioner. And the full size is 6 ounces, so we got like a third of that, and the full size is $37. This is still a good amount. So I'll try that out and get back to you on that one. Let me know your thoughts too if you've tried any of these. So the rest of the items are deluxe size. But I'm excited to try this. It's been a while since I tried Biro New York Golden Carrot Overnight Relief Mask. This is a brand I feel like I first experienced in BoxyCharm a while back. And let's see about this. So the full size, yeah, this is a bougie, expensive brand apparently. For 65 milliliters is $142. So this is 10 ml. So this is a lot smaller than that. So this has hydrating superstars, squalane, glycerin, and shea butter. This mask helps make skin softer while you sleep. The Allure editor said they woke up to brighter skin and 0 stains on their pillowcase. Okay. Well, I'll definitely try this out. You get at least a few uses in this. Yeah, you apply generously, face and neck, leave it on overnight. Sorry, I like noses itchy. Hi, Emmy. And then we have something by YSL here. Touche Claude Blur Primer. I'm learning Spanish now. I know this is French, I'm pretty sure, but that just reminded me I've been learning for like 5 days now, and it's really fun. The Blurring and Illuminating Primer. So this is 10 mLs, the full size is 30 mLs and is $56. This primer has a glittering golden effect in the bottle, but on its skin it's all radiance with no obvious shimmer. I feel like I've heard people talk highly of this before. Oh yeah, there is a little, look, there's a doe foot, that's interesting. Or no, it's like a little spatula. Just put a teeny bit here. I don't know if it smells. My nose running. I think it's the air. Okay, here it is. Oh, yeah, that's a very smoothing effect. Can you see the difference? It feels nice. Wow, yeah, it feels a lot nicer than with nothing. Nice. Cool. And then, last but not least, we have a fragrance. And I've had this in the past. I got a sampler pack of all their fragrances, or at least most of them, or a lot. Malin and Goats Dark Rum. I remember really liking this. I like all their fragrances. I tried Bergamot, Vetiver, Dark Rum. One's called like Leather, I think. And then there was another one. But I remember liking this. And this will last a while. Rollerballs like this. 9 mLs. And it's $36 for this size. If dark and stormies remind you of summer nights, this perfume oil with its notes of rum and ripe plum will be a nostalgic hit. It's inspired by that classic sailor's favorite, bay rum, with a sweetly crisp finish that makes the overall effect sparkling and not boozy. I really like this. I'm going to Bahama Breeze tonight, and I feel like this is a perfect fragrance for that. I got too excited there. Oh my gosh, yay. I'm glad I didn't put anything on yet. And I don't think I did. Ooh, I like this a lot. I know I already did, but it's been a while. Oh my gosh. Yay! Perfect. Is Bahama Breeze, I think that's a chain. I know there's at least 2 in Florida. But you guys, this was so good. I'm going to use everything. Because, you know, I think the month prior to this, the May box, I used everything, but June I didn't. But that's okay, just because some things we'll talk about. But I love it. I'm excited. I like Allure. I'm so glad to be getting beauty boxes again. I'm most excited probably about the Tula and the fragrance. But also everything else. Yeah. So definitely like skincare heavy and stuff like that, but I don't mind. And I'm really getting into fragrances. And I like how this really goes with my night. Maybe I'll have to get a rum drink. I'm gonna be good. I'm only gonna have like one. But anyways, so good. Now let's talk about June. So June, I only have 3 items here. I did try one other. So the ones I did not try at all were a mascara because I used tubing mascaras and it wasn't one and I had one open. I just haven't even opened another tubing mascara I need to try yet. So I didn't try the mascara and I didn't try the little like Belief deluxe size moisturizer. Probably pass that on or use it when I run out of mine because I only have 1 moisturizer left. I was like, wait, did I get one in my, I don't know, yeah, I'm pretty sure. So, and then there was the bikini patches, which I was so excited to try because I do get ingrown hairs and dark skin and it's summer, but I only used it once. I've been really busy, like in a good way, socially in the past month. I'm spending a lot of time, like I went to Chicago, I don't know if that was before or after I opened the box, but and then I have been going to Marco Island a lot. I've been going out to like dinner, like I'm like a professional dater these days. I'm looking to find my person, so I'm going out a lot and it just hasn't been like something I think about before I go to bed. So I used it once, I don't know if it did anything. We got a pack of 6, so that reminded me today, this reminded me to use that and see how it works. I put it in like a drawer and forgot about it, plus I just haven't been home. Yeah, so I need to try that, but there's 2, the rest of the items I'm pretty much done with. I've been loving this cleanser. Look, it's like all weird shape now. It's almost done. There's like some in there, but I don't know why from me squeezing it, it's shaped like this. The Face Reality Barrier Balance Creamy Cleanser. I love this. It makes your skin feel nice and clean, but also soft and not overly stripped or anything like that. And yeah, I have no complaint. It's just a good overall cleanser. I think the main thing is, yeah, just it does really keep a barrier balance like it says. I didn't really think about it that way, but that's what it is. It doesn't over dry your skin. It keeps it, but it feels clean and it also keeps it feeling nice and soft and moisturized in a way, like because it is that creaminess and it doesn't, it says acne safe, and yeah, that's true. I haven't had any issues with this causing me acne. So yeah, been loving that. Probably be done with that in a week or 2 or something because I use it every day. I use it in the morning, like when I shower. And then I use a different cleanser at night, and I've been loving it. I've been using it since I got it, almost every day besides when I'm not home. And I love this. I use this today. This is a Christoph Robin. This is a variation product. There was like 6 items or 5 items you could have picked. And I got the volumizing conditioner with rose extracts. I wore this today. I washed my hair today, and I only use this. I like every other or every 3rd time washing, like with my conditioners, it's almost gone. It's getting towards the end. I mean, there's some in there, but it's like mostly empty. I like to use this on like date nights because the rose, you know, the symbolism and like all of that. If you're into like spiritual witchy things, you know, it's something like that, attracting love and just feeling more feminine, Empress energy going on. And the smell lasts, you guys. You know, a lot of conditioners or hair products, it just doesn't, there's not a lot of lasting power, at least it seems that way. This lasts like, I know my nose, I could always, yeah, I can still smell it. I was like, oh no, is this taking away the smell? So I had to compare it. The smell lasts, and I really like how it makes my hair look healthy and shiny. Like I could use a brush through it right now. But I think it looks shiny and healthy, and I like how it smells. It's like romantic in a way. So I really like this. I'll be sad when it's gone. And another thing that has the rose in it that I only wear on like day nights too is this Earth Harbor Tidal Rose Seaweed Hydration Mist. I'm almost gone, like, because this is a small sample size. So I just spray this on. It's fine. It's nothing I need to buy again. I feel like if I wore more powder makeup, this would be more, you know, maybe I'd like it more or something. I just spray it on my face. I use it as a toner sometimes, or like before I go out like refresh my makeup a little bit. And yeah, for that rose quality, but just for, it's mostly fun and, you know, that witchy side of me. But that was everything I have to say. So let me know your thoughts. Did you guys like Allure this month as much as I did? I'm really pumped about it. I really love when I'm going to use all the items, and I'm really excited to have that Tula again. And oh my god, I love this scent. Very summery. Bahama breeze, here I come. I'm excited, but that's in a few hours. I'm gonna go and set up for that live stream. If you guys, on Wednesdays at 4 p.m. Eastern time, I do live tarot readings for free, like free mini readings on my second channel, Kitty Rising. I'll leave that down below. This video won't be up in time. I probably won't post it till after that, depending on how fast it uploads, but yeah, join me over there. Check out my pick-a-cards if you're into tarot, spirituality, all that. But if not, that's okay. I'm so grateful you're here. I'm really grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.